The beauty of nature is a sight to behold, a wondrous world that never grows old. The sun that rises with a golden hue, and sets in a blaze of orange and blue. The birds that sing with a joyous heart, their melodies a work of natural art. The creatures that roam the earth, their diversity a testament to its worth. The forests that whisper with the wind, their leaves rustling, symphony within. The flowers that bloom in a riot of colour, their fragrance a gift to any passerby's olfactory. The beauty of nature is a treasure to cherish, a wonderland that never fails to nourish. So let us always appreciate its grandeur, and pledge to preserve its wonder.